Hello everyone, this is Tapeshwar. Hope you all are doing fantastic. Today I'll share a success story of few successful people. We'll start with first Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani, late Mr. Dhirubhai Ambani, a name which is known to all of us, founder of Reliance Industry Limited, who never belongs to a well-to-do family, and his upbringing was also very humble. Where at the age of 16, he went to Yemen and did a job of a clerk. Where after a few years he decided to return back to India to start his own business. Where he started his own business with partnership. Where because of difference in opinion, there is a split between these two partners. And again after the heavy loss, he continues with the decision to to continue in the business, and he invested in the share market, and he is the one who make Reliance the amongst the top industry of top companies of India. Second example I'll take of Mr. Ratan Tata, who joined as a CEO in 1991. Because of his futuristic approach and because of his passionate style of operation, he got a tussle between senior management, and during his tenure he faced a lot of challenges like the two Tata companies, two Tata subsidiaries faced bankruptcy under his leadership, and this his Tata Nano was also not a big success as per him, but still he continues with the passion, and now he's among the top global leaders. Let's have an third example of our PM, Mr. Narendra Modi. Nobody knows, even nobody can think in his dream like a tea vendor. A tea vendor can be a PM of India, but after a lot of struggles and his decisiveness, he reached at the level of Prime Minister. Guys, there is a specific reason of sharing the success story of all these three people, because I would like to correlate this success story of these three successful people with today's topic. And today's topic is you are the product of your decision. I had seen, and even I believe also, like I'm not a product of my circumstances. I am a product of my decision. Now we had reached up to a certain position that we need not to blame other people for our whatever happens to us. It may be growth, it may be downfall. Let's not let's stop blaming the others, because this holds true for every successful people. They more or less they also went to the same type of circumstances. They also face the same type of issues, and issues are common for everyone, but it depends on the decision. It depends on the your response towards the issues, the way you take the issues, the way you respond to the issues, uh, makes you to reach at certain position. So let's accept the fact, and let that we are the product of our decision. We are not the product of our circumstances. This is all about my understanding about the subject. Hope you like the video. Thanks a lot. Stay healthy, stay safe.